Welcome back to Marketing Platter. I'm Dr. Sharad Gupta, and today we are talking about something extremely practical using AI to design powerful, creative B2B communication. Whether you create press releases, business emails, or value propositions, this video will show you how AI can support you and how to refine AI output so it sounds genuinely B2B and not robotic. Value proposition. Let's start with the foundation, your value proposition. In B2B, a value proposition is the core promise your company makes to another business. It should clearly explain how you help them fix a problem or perform better. And it must focus on benefits, not features. An easy framework is pain, solution, benefit. What pain is your client facing? What value do you offer? And what measurable outcome do they get? For example, we help logistics firms reduce shipping delays by 40% through automated route optimization. That's clear, outcome driven, and instantly communicates value. Creative B2B communication. Now, many people think B2B means boring. It doesn't. Creative B2B content mixes logic and emotion. Businesses still have people reading your content. So your job is to translate technical value into human, relatable messaging. Instead of saying our SaaS solution optimizes workflows, try save 3 hours a day with automated reporting built for busy teams. That's concrete, human, specific. Use visuals, data points, and testimonials. These build credibility and trust, which are the heart of B2B communication. Using AI in B2B communication. Now, where does AI fit in? The key is AI is an assistant, not the author. Use AI for idea generation, rough drafts, tone checking, mock-ups, and structure, but always refine manually. AI helps you experiment with tone, generate variations, and structure your draft. But you must always review accuracy, tone, and originality, especially in B2B where credibility matters. So, just to say it again, AI is your assistant, it cannot be your author. Using AI to create press releases. AI can be extremely helpful in developing structured professional drafts, especially when you provide good prompts. But first, you need to understand the basics of a press release. A press release is a formal announcement, short, clear, factual. Use third person only, follow AP style, and include the essentials: a catchy title, a first paragraph that answers the 5 W's and 1 H, a quote from the spokesperson, and clean contact details. Always add for immediate release at the top left and triple hash at the end. And remember, don't editorialize. Press releases need to sound neutral and professional. Now let me show you a strong prompt to generate a first draft. This one asks AI to act as a B2B marketing specialist and write a press release for a UK workwear and PPE company introducing a product to the construction sector. You will see that the prompt includes everything AI needs: headline, 5 W's and 1 H, spokesperson quote, tone, and the editing format. Next, I use a follow prompt that tells AI, improve this using the attached template and example. This is where AI becomes a real assistant. It brings in structure and polish. And finally, I ask AI to rewrite the press release in different tones: more formal, more conversational, or more industry specific. Comparing these variations is an excellent way to choose the version that expresses your value proposition clearly. You can download my press release template and example using the link in the description. Using AI to create business emails. Now let's move to the second major use case, creating professional B2B emails using AI. A good B2B email is focused on one clear message. Put your most important info first. Use headings, bullets, and clean formatting. Think in terms of attention. Your reader gives you about 10 to 15 seconds. Use templates so you don't reinvent the wheel. Include logo, clear sections, readable fonts, and a visible call to action. And don't clutter your email. White space is your friend. AI prompt for business email. Here's an example AI prompt. It tells AI to act as a marketing manager, writing to Tesco, introducing electrical maintenance services. Notice how the prompt forces a clear subject line, a clean opening sentence, and a CTA like a meeting or demo. Remember, good prompts is equal to good emails. Next, I refine the draft using a second prompt. Improve it using a template and shorten it under 100 words. This step is crucial because busy executives read fast. Finally, I ask AI to rewrite in different tones: persuasive, informative, relationship driven. Comparing these helps you choose the version that feels most B2B authentic. Templates and examples are in the description. So now you have seen how AI can support your B2B communication. But you also saw the most important part: you still control the message. Ask yourself which AI output reflected your value proposition best. Comment in this video which tone sounded most authentic, and how would you refine the draft to match your client's voice. If you found this useful, make sure you subscribe to Marketing Platter and check the description for templates and prompts you can start using today. Thank you.